a special date with Mr. Giorgio Armani. Step 1, the Giorgio Armani Hydrating Primer gives a really beautiful base underneath Luminous Silk Foundation. Next, I'm using Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in 5.5. Just using a buffing brush to really press that into the brush and place it into the center of the face and just buff it out. Little tip, water, just to give it a bit of moisture to buff that foundation in even more, because we want skin to look like skin. Always bring the foundation a little down the neck and onto the collarbones if your top or dress ends there. It just finishes it off. Next, I love blush. So I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in number 50. It's called Glow Blush. I'm just gonna use that same foundation brush. I've already done this side. One great benefit of blush is that it helps you lift and creates like that sort of sun-kissed glowy look. We're just going to use the blush on the high points of the face. Just bringing it all the way up underneath the eye, over the brow, and across the hairline. A wash of blush across the eyelid. And just a tad on the tip of the nose. And the last step, we're just going to apply the Lip Power Matte in 111. It's got a really beautiful shaped tip to really get that bow of the lip. And in one swipe, it's got a really nice texture. It feels really quite comfortable on the lip, and it's got a nice neutral, I feel like universal earthy tone.